Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
1, 2, 3, allons-y French.
Today we're going to go over the alphabet in English and in French and go over the differences. We are also going to sing the alphabet. Well, let's see how it goes. Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. All right. Let's go over the differences.
Okay, I'll recite the alphabet in English and you do it in French.
Okay.
And we'll go one by one so that you guys can actually hear the difference. So the first letter is A.
In French, we say ah. You have to open your mouth and let it out. Ah.
B.
B.
C.
C.
See, the difference is almost like an A sound.
Yeah. So in English, you go C. As opposed to French, you go C.
And the D.
D.
E.
E.
See how you have to actually pretend like you're about to close your mouth like like
Right.
your lip.
E.
F.
F. There's not
Same
really
thing.
much of a difference. There's a little trick over here. The next one is
G.
G. H.
H. It took me a second.
Yeah. In English, it's H, as opposed to French is H.
I.
E.
J.
G.
K.
K.
L.
Still the same. L.
M.
Here we go. M.
N.
Here we go again. N.
O.
O. Doesn't really change.
P.
Here is a twist for you. B.
Q.
Q.
R.
R.
See, do you hear the difference? R.
It goes R. R. R.
That's a good one. S.
Still the same. It goes with S. This doesn't change. The same as in English.
T.
T. Da. T.
U.
U.
V.
B.
So I have to roll it in my head real quick.
W.
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 X.
X.
Y.
Y.
And Z.
Z.
So there's a lot of tricks. Like some of them are pronounced exactly the same thing as in English and French. Other ones you have to actually open your mouth or like almost close it. So you just have to pay attention to the differences.
Make sure to let it out so the person you're speaking to can actually hear you and understand you.
Yeah,
But it's not that hard. It's going to be very easy as you practice. A few more practices, and then you're going to be great at it. Here we go. Well, thank you for watching us today, and can't wait to see you again in our next video.
And
Stay tuned.
once again, we have to remind them to like
And subscribe.
and hit the notification bell wherever it is on the screen.
For more videos to come. Well, thank you, and bye-bye.
Bye.